Welcome to Vasion Print, a solution for simple, secure, and scalable print management. Before we begin, I would like to note that the interface in this video may look slightly different from your instance of Vasion Print. That's because we're using the Vasion Print unified experience with Vasion Automate in this video. But whether you're using Vasion Print on its own or as part of Vasion Automate, everything you see here works the same way. With Vasion Print, you can centrally manage all your printer drivers from one place, streamlining updates and reducing manual overhead. To access the repository, go to Tools, Driver/Profile Repository. In the repository, you can upload new drivers manually by browsing to the INF file you've downloaded from the manufacturer's website, replace existing drivers with updated versions, and delete drivers you no longer need. When you replace a driver, you'll be asked whether to use a driver that already exists in the repository or upload a brand new driver by browsing to the INF file. Once a driver is replaced, all printers that use the old driver will automatically be updated with the new version. Even better, all associated end-user workstations will be automatically updated with the new driver too. No extra steps needed. And if there's a driver you no longer plan to use, just select it and use Delete to remove it from your Vasion Print instance. With the Driver Profile Repository, you have full control over your printer drivers, keeping your environment clean, consistent, and easy to maintain. Check out our other videos to learn more ways Vasion Print simplifies driver and printer management.